The first letter from John, chapter 2, from verse 7 to verse 14. Me good friend, I know really one new law me a write give you know. When me a write, I the same message we did hear for a long time. But when you don't think about it, in a one way, I really want new law me a write give you. It new sake of what Jesus did do and cause you know a living a life for follow him. Right now, the darkness are going and the real light start shine already. If nobody said them a walk in the light and eat them brother and sister, they still a live in a darkness. But anybody will love them brother and sister and live in the light and have nothing in their life to make nobody sin. But the one we eat him brother and sister and live and a walk in a darkness. Him can't see where him a go, cause the darkness blind him eye them. Me pick me a right to know, cause God pardon no sin, sake of what Jesus do. All you know older people, me a right to know, cause you know the one we debout from way back when. Young people, me a right to know, cause you don't beat the wicked one already. Little picnic, me did right to know, cause you know the Father. Me did right on older people, cause you know the one we debout from way back when. Young people, me did right to know, cause you know strong. God message the inner uno heart, cause uno beat the wicked one already. A God Wod Dis. Thank God.